If something bad happens, let's say you get ransomed and they lock up all your systems, there's a cost to restore your systems. We've gone through cost of as little as $25,000 to as much as $400,000 to restore a network and get it back to where it was prior to the breach. That is a recoverable expense. And so once the system is back up and going, you can submit your claim to the insurance company saying that, it costs us X amount of money to restore the systems. And in theory, that money less your deductible is what you would get paid for. So and then what happens was that when you report the breach, the insurance company will assign a forensic expert to come in and review the whole event from beginning to end. They'll try to figure out how did it start, where did it come from, and whose PC in the network, and how did it spread, and who's responsible. So the first thing the forensics group is going to do is take out your application for the insurance and going to go ensure that the things you said you were doing when you filled out that application and they were still in place the immediately prior to the breach occurring. So that's their first job. And then they'll go on and figure out kind of the timeline of the rest of the event. So the first thing the forensics group and the insurance company is going to do is come back in and say, okay, show me you still have this in place.